Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to lesson 3 of the Amharic alphabet course. Today in this video we will learn 8 new Amharic consonant letters from she to che and their vowel combinations including the hybrid letters. By the end of this video, we will practice forming short and meaningful Amharic words using only the letters we study. So we will read the letters one by one first, then we will move into word building. Now let us get started. The first letter in today's lesson is she. She, she, shu, shu, she, sha, sha, she, she, sho, shwa, shwa. ق ق قو قو قی قی قا قا قه قه ق ق قو قو قوا قوا ب ب بو بو بی بی با با ب ب ب ب bo bo boa boa. But don't forget to say after me, all right? The vu vu vi va ve v vo ta tu ti ta te t to twa ta tu ti ta te t to pwa che chu chi cha che chi cho chwa che chu chi cha che chi cho chwa. Now here, when we type the che family on our keyboard, we press shift first, then CE. To type chu, we need to press on shift plus CU, CIE. Now we have finished reading the letters. Let us practice reading Amharic by making words only from 2 letters first, then we will move on making words from 3 and 4 letters. Now the first word is bal. Bal means husband. Bal. Bella. Bella means he ate. Bella. Koma. Koma means he stood up or it stopped. Kebe means better. Baka means just or enough or stop. Shito is perfume. Shito. Shita is smell or scent. Tut is breast. Tat is finger. Twat is morning. Tata means he drank. Tatu means they drank. Tachi means have a drink for a female or drinker. Tachi is someone who drinks. Tachi. Tuto is baby bottle. Tit is cotton. Cheese Cheese. Cheese. Cheese is smoke. Shy. Shy. Shy is not a shy person. Shy is T in Amharic. T. Chama. Chama. Chama is shoes. Bete. 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 My house. Alan. Bet. Only bet means house. Bete. When you change this to into a fifth letter, it will become my. Bete. House. My house. Babur. Babur is train. Now again, let's make words from three letters. The first word here is chipped. 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 Chipped means guest or theme. Chabata. Chabata. Chabata means he grabbed something or he grasped, he understood something. He learned. Borch. 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 Borch is a big belly. Koshasha. 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 Koshasha is trash, dirty, garbage. Tutk. 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 All three letters are consonant letters. Tutk. Tutk. Tutk means gear or outfits. Tataki. Tataki means a gunman, armored person. Chachut. Chachut. Chachut is baby chicken. Chachut. This is chachut. Satin. 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 Satin is box. Bashita. Bashita is disease or illness. Shikab. 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 Shikab means uphill. Kabato. Kabato. Kabato is belt. Kata kata. Kata kata. Kata kata. Kata kata means he hammered. He beat something. Tasheta. 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 Tasheta means it was sold. It gets sold. Charrasa. 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 He finished. Chakola. 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 Chakola is he hurried. He is in a rush. Kamis. 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 Kamis means dress. Tamari. Tamari. Tamari means student. Alright, very good. Here is the homework now. Let me give you the homework now. The words are built from four letters. So the first is matbat. Matbat is breastfeeding. Korkoro. Korkoro is teen. Kulkul is downhill. Kulkul. Tatakami. Tatakami is consumer or customer client. Kalabat. Kalabat means a ring. Bokbwaka. Bokbwaka is quiet person. There is also two phrases. Harag. Harag means phrase. Haraguch means phrases. Misabellaw. Misabellaw means I ate lunch. Shay tattaw. Shay tattaw means I drank tea. So just the homework is write down these words and phrases on your notebook, including the transliterations and their meaning, and take a photo, then read them loudly and record your voice while reading and send the photo and your voice on our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. I will check them and give you some feedbacks if necessary. This is very, very necessary to improve your Amharic reading skill. After this course, we will directly go into Amharic grammar and conversation lessons. There will not be transliteration, so you have to master reading Amharic now. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, and I really appreciate if you share this video with others who are learning Amharic. So see you in the next video. Ciao.